The following message is from the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office. Shelter in place issued by the Madras Police Department for Northeast Beverly Drive and Northeast Cedar Street. This is a shelter-in-place advisory for residents located within a quarter-mile radius of Northeast Beverly Drive and Northeast Cedar Street in Madras. Due to an active law enforcement incident, the Madras Police Department and the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office are requesting all residents located within this radius to shelter in place until further notice. Stay indoors, and lock all doors and windows. Any suspicious persons or activity should be reported to 911.